Hello everyone, my name is Saurav Sharma. I am from Bokaro Steel City. It comes in the state of Jharkhand. About my qualification, I have done Bachelor of Computer Application from IGNOU University in 2023. Then I was searching for a job, but I don't have the sound knowledge about programming language or technical. But I want to do job in IT sector. Then I got to know about the Evision Technoserve in Naukri.com, which is providing some types of courses like job internship courses, programming related courses, and cloud based courses. So I enrolled there in the month of May 2025, and I have completed my course in the month of July 2025. And Evision give gave me the sound knowledge about technical knowledge about the technicals and some kind of coding language like Linux. So again I was searching for a job, but this time Evision helped me a lot, and I get selected in PwC company under the payroll company Outworks solution with 3 LPA, which is in Noida. So thanks a lot Evision team, and a special thanks to Apurvo sir, Prasanajit sir, Rahul sir, Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, and Ganesh sir, Amit sir. Thank you.